CIS scholars, welcome back to your favorite math session. Children, we are doing chapter number 9, patterns. In this chapter we have seen the pattern of different designs. Okay, now today we are going to see pattern in numbers, how we can form the pattern in numbers also. Now how you will form the different types of patterns in numbers, I will tell you. Children, we can form different types of patterns by using numbers, by skipping the numbers, okay, forward counting, backward counting, and by skipping the numbers, okay. So in this video we will be seeing the patterns using numbers, okay children. So let's start children.
So children, let's start with another topic of patterns. So here the next topic is patterns with numbers. Now children, till now we have seen the pattern with shapes, designs. Now here we will see the pattern with numbers. How pattern with numbers occurs. Okay. Now children, here when there are numbers and when we are skipping the numbers, we can have different types of patterns. See here, skip counting produces various patterns. Look at the number line given below and find the pattern. Now here can you see the number line which is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, and it goes on. Now I am starting from 0 and here I am taking a pause on which number? Number 2. Again then I am starting from 2 and I am here taking a pause at 4. So here what will be the pattern? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So children, here I am skipping one number, okay, which will make a pattern. So see here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and it goes on. So what will be your pattern rule children? How many number I am skipping here? One number. Okay, so what will be the pattern rule? After how many numbers you are getting the number? After 0 it is 2, then after 2 it is 4, that means 2 number are there, okay. So the pattern rule is plus 2, that means 2 numbers I am going ahead, okay, from 0 to 2, then 2 to 4, so 2 numbers I am going ahead, so that's why it is plus 2. Understood children? When I am going back, that means it will be minus. But here I am going ahead 2 numbers. So it will be plus 2. Okay. So what will be your next 3 number after 8? What will be your next 3 number after 8? It will be 10, then 12 and then 14. Okay children, so 2 numbers I am going ahead. So that will be your pattern rule and the next number will be 10, 12, 14 and it goes on. Like this you have to write the pattern rule. You don't have to draw this number line in your textbook or anywhere, but it's only for understanding. Okay children, let's see one more example here. Now find the pattern rule and the next 2 numbers. So see children, here again I have drawn a number line. Now here it's starting from 3. Now 3 to 6. Okay, I have skipped here few numbers, then after 6 it is 9. So again I have skipped few numbers. Okay, so 3, 6, 9, 12. Then what will be next children? See here, After 12, I will skip few numbers and it will be 15, because here how many numbers I have skipped? Two numbers I am skipping. So here also two numbers I will skip, that is 13 and 14 I will skip, and after 12 it will be 15. Then again two numbers I am skipping, and then what will be? It will be 18. Okay. So children, here what will be the pattern rule? See, the pattern rule is plus 3. Okay. Why 3? Because 1, 2 and 3, after 3 numbers you are getting that number. Okay, here also 1, 2 and 3, after 3 number you are getting the number. Okay, so the pattern rule is plus 3. Now why plus 3, children? Because we are moving ahead, we are going forward. Okay, when we are going backward it will be minus sign. Okay, so children, here when we are going forward, that means it will be plus sign. And how many numbers we are going forward? It is 3 numbers we are going forward, so it will be plus 3. So the next two numbers will be 15 and 18. Okay children. See, now another example here: 90, 80, 70, 60, 50. Okay, so what will be the pattern rule here, children? See, now how many numbers I have skipped, children, here? 10 numbers. Okay, so your pattern rule will be 10. But children, see, here we are going backward. 90, after 90 what comes? 100, then 110. But here what is coming here? 80. After 90, that means we are going backward. Here after 90 we are getting 80, then 70, then 60, then 50. Okay, so the numbers are reducing, that means we are going backward. Okay, so this is backward counting. Now here when we are going backward, we will put minus sign. And how many numbers I have skipped, children, here? It is 10 numbers. So the pattern rule is 10. Understood, children? Yes, like this you have to count. Okay, and in this manner you have to write the pattern rule. Okay, and if they have asked that you have to write the next two numbers, next three numbers, then according to the question you can write. Okay, what are the next two numbers or next three numbers, whatever is asked, like here we have done. Okay, in the previous example. So in the same way, the pattern rule you have to write. Children, this is very simple and I know that you can do it. Okay, so watch this video properly, and this number line is only for understanding. You don't have to draw. Okay, simply see the numbers in the question and write the pattern rule. Okay children, so we will meet again next time. Till then, goodbye children.